Eitan, I'm just giving you one advice for Talia. Whatever she says goes. Happy wife, happy life. Remember that. Good luck.
Hey Talia, mazel tov. Don't forget to brush and floss.
Hey Talia, I hear you're getting married, obviously, because I've been bringing all this stuff and you've been keeping me very, very busy. I appreciate it. I wish you the best of luck and happiness, many years, and mazel tov. Take care.
Hey Tals and everyone else at the shower. Mazel tov, so excited. Now I have nothing to say, but really happy for you.
Mazel tov. Hopefully we'll be able to attend this wedding. We're so happy for you guys, and we're really looking forward to it. So God willing, we'll be there, and you guys should have a wonderful time.
And you didn't invite me to the wedding, Talia. I didn't get an invitation. You only invited my parents, but I'm gonna crash anyway. I'll see you there. Bye. Bye.
Hi Talia, mazel tov, mazel tov. We're so excited for the upcoming simcha. We're already on our treadmills getting into shape.
Mazel tov, Talia and Eitan. Very excited about this upcoming simcha. Rebecca had this amazing plan, but I'm the one who said go for it, so I get a little bit of credit too.
Life is like a puzzle. The goal is just to complete the puzzle. Sometimes the wife puts in more pieces, sometimes the men put in more pieces, but the bottom line, it doesn't matter. As long as the puzzle gets done beautifully, which I'm sure your life will be. One beautiful picture. Mazel tov, we love you. Mwah!